Hi everyone, and you must be very surprised to see me in my own YouTube recipe video. But I had to be over here. I had to be a part of this video because this recipe calls for it. This is a very personal recipe. It's a very well kept secret, and ये मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. And the name is Secret Sinful Chocolate Cake. And this cake is absolutely breathtaking. And इसका जो फ्लेवर है, इसका जो अरोमा, इसका टेक्सचर and the taste is so good. Like you'll forget all the chocolate cakes that you have ever had up till now, and this will be a part of your life till you breathe your last. Like, mark my words, this is going to be the best chocolate cake ever. You are going to fall in love with this recipe. So, yeah, like, be there with me. ये वीडियो जो है ये एंड तक देखो आप. Let's dive into the recipe.
The dry ingredients will require are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of caster sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The wet ingredients will require are 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, half cup of mayo, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of butter, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 mug of black coffee, and last but not the least will require 1 cup of buttermilk. For the frosting will require 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 whole slab of milk chocolate, 2 cups of cream cheese, 1 cup of dark chocolate and 1 mug of cream.
So now that all our ingredients are laid out, we'll start with the recipe. And instead of using eggs, you can also use some curd of dahi, that is 1 cup. And मुझे पता है कि बहुत सारे ये stuff है, but it's worth the effort. So just hold on, and the end result is going to satisfy you on all the levels. And I mean it, like it's really very good. So chalo, now we'll start with the further procedure.
So to start off with, you have to sieve all the dry ingredients. So first sieve in the flour and cocoa powder cause they'll take a bit more time to sieve and get refined. Later on sieve in the caster sugar, baking soda and baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly until they all are well combined.
हाय एवरीवन. सो अभी हमारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिक्स हो गए हैं, ये देखो ऐसे. सो जस्ट कीप दिस असाइड एंड वी स्टार्ट विद द वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स. फॉर वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स टेक अनदर बोल एंड मैं अभी आपको बताता हूँ आगे की प्रोसेस क्या है.
First, add in the vanilla extract in the buttermilk and let it sit for a few minutes. Whisk in the butter and brown sugar thoroughly. Add in the mayo and oil once it becomes smooth. Mix these ingredients well, and once the color changes to milky white as seen in the clip, add in the cocoa powder and the hot coffee. ये जो मिक्सचर है इसे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से विस्क करना है क्योंकि हमें इसे लाइट और थोड़ा एरी बनाना है. ये होने के बाद वंस दिस इज़ डन यू कैन ऐड इन द बटर मिल्क विद द वनीला एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड मिक्स दैट thoroughly until you see a lot of bubbles formed on the surface of this mixture. Now mix in the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. You can do vice versa as well. And अभी आप remaining oil add कीजिए. You will see that the batter's color will start off change from light brown in color to a very dark brown, and the batter will also thicken up a lot. That's an indication for you to start adding the eggs one at a time strictly. And अब जैसे जैसे ऐड करोगे ये eggs batter और thicken होगा as well as it will become very smooth. Lots of bubbles will be created as seen in the clip, and once the right consistency achieved you can keep it aside. You can preheat your microwave at 160 degrees Celsius as seen in the clip.
हाय. सो अभी हमारा केक बैटर जो है वो रेडी हो गया है. यू कैन सी हाउ रिच इट इज. जस्ट चेक द कलर ऑफ इट एंड जस्ट लेट मी टेक अ टेस्ट. अमेजिंग 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 हुआ है बहुत ज़्यादा. तो एनीवेज, this is ready and now this is also ready. So what I've done, इस मैंने यहाँ पे नीचे 5 मिनट पेपर लगाया है एंड ये जो साइड्स है इसको मैंने ऑयल और फ्लावर ऑयल से ग्रीस करके फिर मैंने इस पर फ्लावर स्प्रिंकल कर सकते हो आप या फिर यू कैन स्प्रिंकल कोको पाउडर. सो आई हैव स्प्रिंकल्ड दिस विद कोको पाउडर on all the sides. So I'll just pour in my batter. You can see. Oh, wait. I need to take a separate clip of this.
And this is the reason why I truly believe that baking is therapeutic.
So as you can see, I have poured all the cake batter and मैं hardly कुछ waste करता हूँ ये batter because this is so delicious. Like seriously, I can just have it like that, but I won't.
So I've kept the cake for baking. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare our frosting. In a bowl, add in cream cheese and whisk it until it becomes very smooth. Add in the butter, coffee and cocoa powder. Whisk everything vigorously until it's all well combined. Pour in the cream and keep on whisking this mixture.
Hi everyone, so I just removed the cake from the microwave and it's been around 1 hour and 30 minutes that I had kept the cake to bake. ज़्यादा टाइम लगा because I'll just show you. ये केक का जो टिन का साइज है that is 4 inch in depth. So इसलिए it took a much longer time to bake. So I removed it and I let it cool on a cooling rack. If you want to check whether the cake is done or not, just take a skewer stick or a toothpick or a knife. Just insert it inside the cake. Okay. And if it comes clean, like here it has come clean, that means that the cake is done. So I let it cool. अभी हम frosting बनाएंगे उसके बाद assemble करेंगे and at the last we'll cut it.
Here I've just added the milk and dark chocolate that I melted to this frosting and जब इसकी consistency ऐसे हो जाए तब transfer it to the fridge. Here I've just removed the frosting from the fridge and I added the leftover cake crumble. You can see the frosting is looking very glossy and extremely gooey.
So the cake is ready as you can see over here and I've segregated everything. So now we just have to assemble the cake and for that I have cut the cake into 3 slices and this is the first slice. So I'm going to place this on this cake base and we'll move further ahead. For that I also have the ganache. So what I'll do is just take a blob of ganache and just like थोड़ा बहुत उस पे spread करो cake base पे. This one right onto top of this. Take another scoop of ganache and इस पे आप डाल दो ये इतना and then with the help of spatula we have to spread it.
मैंने यहाँ पे जितना मुझे required ganache था उतना लिया and here I'm just spreading the ganache. Make sure that it's equally spread on each cake layer and repeat this process for 4 times.
Hi, so as you can see the cake is ready and the ganache is mostly over, just इतना बचा है, so I utilize it in filling up this gap over here. जो गनाश मैंने यूज़ किया और जो केक है उन दोनों का रेशो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. So utilize the ganache and utilize everything of the cake. You even saw that I used the cake crumbs and I mixed it in with the ganache. इससे गनाश में भी एक खुद का एक there will be a sort of a texture in and it will taste much better. And I let the cake just age for one whole night and tomorrow morning I'll eat it. Actually it is said that if you let the cake age for at least a day after making, it tastes better. Hi everyone, so it's the next day, good morning and it's abhi 7 o'clock. Now we'll have the cake. I have my knife over here and यहाँ पे मैंने lukewarm water लिया है जिसको मैं like it just helps in cutting the cake because the cake as of now I have just taken it out of the freezer, the fridge sorry. So yeah, like I'll cut the cake. बहुत सब्र कर लिया. अभी we'll relish on the फल. Hi, so this is the cake piece which I cut for myself. You can see, as seen over here, it's extremely fudgy, as you can see, and sort of the cream and everything have just, they have become very cohesive. So I'm going to have this. Mm, it's extremely good. I'll like I can't explain in words. It's really very good. Mm. Wait, my mother just woke up, so I'll take her review as well. कसा आहे
खूपच छान.
मामा प्लीज खरं खरं सांग इज इट रिअली गुड
Absolutely.
Blossom has also come in the kitchen, but we are not going to give because they are not allowed chocolate. And here is the cake. कसा केला आहे
खूप छान. छान
कसा आहे
छान झालं.
काही कमी जास्त पाहिजे का परफेक्ट आहे
बरोबर आहे. मजा आलाय. खरंच छान झालं.
खरंच सगळं कसं आहे फ्लेवर वगैरे
छान.
खूप जास्त गोड तर नाही ना नाही परफेक्ट आहे म्हणजे
एकदम मस्त.
Hi, so as you all saw, the cake is ready. It's really tasting very good, and आपको सिर्फ वही बताना था that in terms of the texture and the flavor, everything is very well balanced. In terms of the texture, वो smooth है थोड़ा, and it's quite a bit fudgy, and it's bit chewy as well, which is how I like my cake. I prefer it in that way. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फ्लेवर बहुत ज़्यादा बिटर नहीं है और बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट भी नहीं है बट हाँ फ्रॉस्टिंग इज़ अ बिट स्वीट बिकॉज I added cream in it as well as it had milk chocolate and dark chocolate का mixture but that I added purposely because उससे जो पूरा बैलेंस होता है केक में it really goes very well and it's like you can say it's a very good marriage between the texture the flavor and everything that is that constitutes of that cake and अगर आप ingredients की बात करें तो I added cream cheese in the frosting is something new that I have done and it's new for us but it's not new for the world because there are a lot of variations in which you can make the frosting as well as the cake मैंने बहुत सारे experimentations किए हैं जिसमें कभी कभी मैंने सिर्फ मेयोनेज डाला कभी कभी मैंने सिर्फ बटर मिल्क and at times I just added dahi after trying everything this is the ultimate chocolate cake that's what I'll say and it's really very divine like seriously iski taste and iska jo texture and everything it is there like the aroma even the aroma it's really very good and मैंने इसको बहुत सिंपल रखा in terms of design and everything because मुझे डेकोरेशन से एंड और उसको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट बनाना नहीं था but if you know me you know that I really love my cakes to be very extravagant and over the top I was just craving a rich chocolate cake and this is a secret recipe of mine which I usually prepare and I give it to my clients whenever they order a chocolate cake but like yeah like now it's out in the open you can try it as well at your home and please let me know how it turns out to be because I would love to know. Prepare this cake at your home. I really hope that you do because it's that good and trust me everyone will fall in love with it. If you like this video then do follow the drill that is like this video share it with your family and friends do subscribe to my channel hit that notification bell and please comment down below if you try it at your home and all आपके पास कुछ अल्फाज नहीं होंगे मुझे केक को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए बट स्टिल लाइक if you have any words and all after trying it do let me know and until then bye take care be safe much love I'll hopefully see you soon in the next video
So my mother is having the cake, and let's see.
Oh my, just look at it. It's so delicious. It looks
Mama,
so
please.
yummy.
She's just overacting.
And see, Blossom also wants it. Look at that. Blossom is
Mom,